In this video, I will show you how you can update the software of your Samsung tablet. Now to do that, just go to Settings. Now you can either search Software Update in the search bar, or you can scroll down in the main settings page, and over here you will find the option of Software Update. Now just tap on Software Update. Now from here you will either have the option for Check for New Update or Download and Install. Just tap on either of them. Now just make sure that your tablet is connected to the internet. Now if you have a software update available, it will either say Update Now or Proceed. Now I will tap on Proceed. Now as you can see, if I open the notifications panel, as you can see we have started updating the software. Now in the notifications panel, just tap on Install Now. Now just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the software update process. Now as you can see, the software update process has been completed. Now if we go to the home screen, now let's go to Settings. Now over here, if we tap on Software Update, and this is how you can update the software of any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.